Welcome to Midtown Manhattan, and thanks for joining me on this immersive walk along 42nd Street. We're kicking things off right in front of Madame Tussauds, New York. Check out the massive LCD screen over the entrance. It's a show in itself. There's Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson flashing his megawatt smile, standing alongside digital cameos of Beyoncé, Spider-Man, and other A-listers. It's glitzy, loud, and unmistakably New York. This entrance isn't just marketing, it's an experience. It lets you know right away that you're not in an ordinary neighborhood. You're standing in the entertainment capital of the world. So let's soak it in for a moment before we take our first steps westward. Now we head west. This stretch of 42nd is a colorful corridor. To our left and right are corner stores, glowing fast food joints and endless souvenir shops. The aroma of roasted nuts and halal food carts drift past, mixing with the hum of traffic and murmurs of pedestrians from around the world. There's something special about walking here, not rushing but noticing. Notice the steam rising from manhole covers. Approaching 8th Avenue now. Let's wait for the walk signal. Safety first in the city that never slows down. On the left is Port Authority Bus Terminal, one of the busiest transit hubs in the US. It's not flashy, but it keeps New York moving. People come in from Jersey, the Poconos, even Virginia, chasing opportunity or just catching a Broadway matinee. Across the street, smaller theaters and comedy clubs tuck themselves into the block. Now we're in front of Target if you need quirky phone chargers. Gummy bears or last-minute souvenirs. This is your haven. Notice the saxophonist by the subway stairs playing old-school jazz. Notice the graffiti tags hiding just above eye level. This is New York speaking in all its accents. You never know where the next star is sharpening their edge. Take in the view. Bright storefronts, bold signage, people moving like puzzle pieces. Overhead advertisements scream with color and light. Midtown is loud in every way, and that's part of its charm. Let's continue east now, walking towards 7th Avenue. The buildings grow taller, the sidewalks fill out. and the mood shifts to something electric. This part of 42nd starts leaning into Times Square territory. Here we are, 42nd and 7th. Massive LED billboards climb into the sky. Pulsing with ads, movie trailers, and Broadway teasers. You'll see tourists spinning around trying to take it all in. And locals power walking like they've seen it 1,000 times, and they have. And that's the walk. We started with digital celebrities and ended at one of the world's most photographed intersections. Thanks for joining me for this slice of Manhattan life. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep walking forward. Until next time.